Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This week's video is about how to do Amazon niche research for FBA in 7 steps. Now, like the old saying goes, there's more than one way to cook an egg, and it's the same with researching Amazon niches. There's many different ways to do this. The reason we do the niche research the way I'm going to show you now, it's easily duplicatable by our virtual assistants. Now, as anybody who's been following me over the years would know, our eBay and Amazon businesses are completely run by our virtual assistants. So everything that we do and everything that I teach is easily duplicatable for our virtual assistants. So in this case, so they can continually find hot niches on Amazon over and over again. Because the reason why is because their time is my money. They can find a hot niche very quickly. Okay, here's how we do it. Step 1, we use a program called Scarcity Manager, and I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you don't already have an account, they offer a 30-day free trial, so you can have a play for 30 days. In Scarcity Manager, click Research, click on eBay Bestsellers. Yes, we use eBay Bestsellers for this step of niche research, as it's very fast and we cannot quickly get that same information from any Amazon research software due to the limitations of the Amazon API. For this step though, it doesn't matter, as 99% of the time people on eBay, Amazon and independent websites purchase the same items. Here, Scarcity Manager shows you all the niches on eBay. Simply choose any of them. For this example, I'll click on the stationery hyperlink. Now enter your minimum price and your country and click the search button. Now sort by number of items sold. From this list, and for this week's video, I'll choose the CD cases, which have sold 3,487 times. Now click on the 12-digit number on the left. And as that 12-digit number is a hyperlink, you'll now be taken to eBay where you can see that same item. So now we've quickly discovered the niche stationery is a hot niche, as we can see that thousands of items are being sold. And we also have discovered CD cases within that niche. In the industry, of course, this is called niching down. Now that we have that niche, the next step is to go to Amazon and research that niche. To do that, simply type in the keyword phrase for the niche that we just discovered, or in this case, CD jewel case. For the next step, we use a Chrome extension called eGrow. Again, I'll put a link on the screen and below. To use eGrow, click on the eGrow Chrome extension, and eGrow shows you which items in this niche have the best opportunities based on competition, optimization, FBA, FBM, etc. So now that you have your Amazon niche, the next step is choosing which product in that niche has the best opportunity for FBA. Now, I'm not going to go into product research within a niche in this video, as I've done that before in a previous week's video. However, if you missed it, I'll put a link on the screen and below to that week's video, which is free. Also, if you're already drop shipping, consider sending your top selling dropship items to Amazon FBA. And if you have a lot of top-selling dropship items in one niche, i.e. pet products, baby products, toys and hobbies, tools, etc., consider creating a niche store for these niche items. That's all for this week. I hope this video helped you with how to do Amazon niche research for FBA. Please scroll down, leave me a comment below, and while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the No Fluff channel that teaches how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using eBay and Amazon. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.